How to insert spark lines in Microsoft Excel. So click anyway, then insert, then line. Underneath, guys, you will see this line. Select it, select your data. Click on OK. Now you can change the size for this one. Now drag and drop. To apply spark lines, complete data. Here you can change style. Here you can select the color. You can add last point, first point, markers, navigate points, low point, high point. Also you can select column or win loss. So you can select the column combination and line point. So thanks for watching.